will need to be seated in a brace position for landing. To brace, place your feet flat on the floor, cross your wrist, and hold onto the seat back in front of you. Rest your hands on your wrists. You will be given instructions when to brace. Remain in that position until your aircraft comes to a complete stop and you're told to evacuate. Brace.
Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, this is the first officer. Please remain seated while we take a look at the issue we have up here in the cockpit. No need for alarm. Just remain calm, and we'll get back to you here as soon as we know more. Thank you.